What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're looking for a drink without any alcohol, you might want to try the Heineken. Alright guys, I like a beverage every now and then, and generally I like Heineken. It's not my go-to beer by any means, but I do like the green bottle. And the label. It's kind of nice, maybe a little spicier than a Rolling Rock, which is to say not very spicy. But I saw this, 0.0% alcohol. Not a lick of alcohol in this sucker. So I thought, why not give it a try? So let's go ahead and get this thing open with my Millennium Falcon. What's an aluminum falcon? I hope this isn't a twist top, because I'm just making myself look silly. It might be. I don't think it is. This Millennium Falcon isn't very good for opening up bottles. Alright, so as you can see, smells just like a Heineken. And this is, I think, maybe the problem with non-alcoholic beers, is that between the look and the smell, they kind of prime you for a real beer taste. And then, when you wash it over your lips and your tongue, you're often disappointed. So, let's give it a shot. I will say, it has that Heineken flavor, but it doesn't linger very long. It's definitely pretty light, ultra light, you might be familiar with. So, I don't know. You know what? That's actually not bad, but it disappears. The flavor disappears so quickly on you. It's more of like a beer taste drink than a beer in some ways. But, you know what? I would drink this. And especially if you're worried about driving or something like that, you want to maintain all your faculties, stay safe, those types of things, you can still have kind of that beer experience. So as the weather warms up, as you're sitting around, or as I like to do, just kind of find a dark part of my basement, turn off all the lights and go down there and drink, then you might want to check this out. It's a Heineken. 0.0% alcohol. Good way to party and not be a pooper. Hey, you can find these in your local grocers. There's a lot of cool Heineken stuff out there. I'll put links to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.